Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I wanted to take you guys along with me for some undecorating in preparation for my Christmas decor. So today I'm going to be taking you in my main living spaces to undecorate for fall. I have some pumpkins and some just random things here and there that I use to decorate for fall, but because December is approaching and Christmas as well, it is time to take it all down and switch out my decor. But before I decorate for Christmas, I do like to have a little bit of breathing room in between my fall decor and my Christmas decor. So this video was actually filmed the week before Thanksgiving, and I will have a Christmas home tour coming up after Thanksgiving if you guys are interested in that. But all I do when I undecorate is start in one specific room and then just take down my decor from that season. So you guys will see me take out my fall picks and things of that sort and just put it all in the one tote that I have for my fall decor. As you guys can see, I went ahead and started in my kitchen. I didn't have a whole lot going on in here, but like I said, I just went ahead and took down the little touches of fall decor that I had up, and then I will also be wiping down my countertops, and I do end up vacuuming each room as well, but I don't show me vacuuming each room, so just keep that in mind. I do a full clean. And there you have it, a clean kitchen. And next we will be moving into the dining room, and I will be taking down my centerpiece that I have on my dining room table. Are wondering what type of cleaning products I use for my house, I actually have a small business of my own where I make cleaning products. So I sell multi-surface spray and glass cleaner, and as of now I do not ship, but if I ever decide to, I will definitely let you guys know. I've had multiple questions about that, and I just haven't made the jump to ship yet. So if I ever do, like I said, I will definitely share that information with you guys because I do get asked about it a lot. And here you go. Here is the clean dining room table. That's really all I decorate for fall in my dining room, is just the table. I just like to keep a simple tablescape going on. But anyway, moving on into the living room. So I just had a little bit of picking up to do in here. Nothing major, just some folding of blankets and straightening of pillows and things like that. But I do want to show you guys the process and how I go about doing that as well. like I mentioned before, I do just have the one tote for my fall decor, and then a few of the larger pieces do not fit in the tote, but I do have a storage closet in our guest bathroom actually, where I keep all of my seasonal decor at. And I just like to store it in there so I don't have to mess with it. I don't have to go out in my garage or anything and worry about any of it getting ruined, so that's really nice. If there is ever a time when I am cleaning in my videos and you see me vacuuming, then you know that we are in the home stretch of the cleaning portion. I always save my vacuuming for last just because when I dust things off and whatnot, it always gets all over the floor, and why not wait to vacuum at the very end? That way you don't have to pick it all up again. So I am actually using a Bissell vacuum. I purchased this at Walmart, and it is just a little handheld, very light vacuum, and it was only $20, and I love this thing. It works really well on my hardwood and also on my rugs. My rugs are not very thick at all, so it's perfect. And there you have it, you guys. So I have a nice fresh slate to start off with whenever I decorate for my Christmas decor, and it's just really nice to take it all down, and like I mentioned before, just to kind of let my home breathe a little bit. So let me know how you guys do that. Do you like to give yourself some time in between seasons, or do you just take down and decorate all in the same day? If you guys enjoy these home videos, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, like I said, and be on the lookout for lots of Christmas content and my Christmas home tour that will be up. That will be the next video after this one. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.